Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your Canon PIXMA MX320 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX320 support onto Google. One of the best results should be a Canon website here. This is Canon support for PIXMA MX320. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down on this page underneath downloads and expand the software and drivers section. Scrolling down again, you want to go and select the My Printer download. So go ahead and select that. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, go ahead and open it up to run it and select yes. You can close out of the web browser at this time and then proceed to continue the installation by selecting your region, country, need to accept the license agreement, and then if you want to change the installation path, you can. I don't normally do any of that. I just keep it all default. So just give us a moment here. And then we are going to create a shortcut on the desktop. And if you open up that shortcut, you can see there's some options in here. So if you're having an issue with connectivity to your printer, you can select Diagnose and Repair Printer, and then walk through the on-screen directions about trying to connect or troubleshoot common issues you may have with connectivity. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.